Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get dressed to impress all doll faces for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. These are the doll faces you can try for free. And I'm going to show you how we can get all these doll faces. Okay guys, first of all, you can join this game called DTI Moded. Okay, and then you're going to go to the dressing room here to teleport, and you're going to go to the salon. But wait, let me change my skin tone color. Okay, I'm going to change it to this. Okay, then I'm going to go to the salon. Okay, and you're going to go to the makeup selection area, which is right here. And here you will be able to get a DTI all doll faces for free. Okay, I'm going to try this one for example. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get dressed to impress all doll faces for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.